Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make biscuits at home. Start with the essential ingredients for light and fluffy biscuits. You'll need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. The secret to flaky biscuits is using 6 tablespoons of very cold, unsalted butter, cut into small pieces. Finally, have 3/4 of a cup of cold milk or buttermilk ready to go. First, whisk together your flour, baking powder, and salt in a large bowl. Next, add the cold butter pieces to the dry mixture. Use a pastry blender or your fingertips to cut the butter into the flour until it resembles coarse crumbs with some pea-sized pieces remaining. Then, slowly pour in the cold milk, mixing gently until a shaggy dough forms. Be careful not to overmix. Now, turn your dough out onto a lightly floured surface. Gently pat or roll the dough to about 1 inch thick. Using a 2-inch biscuit cutter, press straight down without twisting to get clean edges. This helps them rise evenly. Place your cut biscuits close together on a baking sheet. This encourages them to rise taller and stay moist. You should get about 8 to 10 biscuits. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake the biscuits for 12 to 15 minutes, or until they are beautifully golden brown on top and bottom. Once baked, remove them from the oven and let them cool slightly on a wire rack. These warm, fluffy biscuits are perfect served with a pat of butter, your favorite jam, or a savory gravy. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.